Hello, little friends. Today, let's find real-life things that are long and short. Giraffe and rabbit. Giraffe is tall. Rabbit is short. Man and kid. Man is tall. Kid is short. Pencil and eraser. Pencil is tall. Eraser is short. Tree and plant. Tree is tall. Plant is short. Building and hut. Building is tall. Hut is short. It is quiz time. Who is the shortest in the family? Grandpa or baby or mom? You are right. Baby is the shortest in the family. Which animal is taller? Bear or squirrel? Absolutely correct. Bear is taller. Which person has the tallest hat? Magician or chef or clown? Great answer. Magician has the tallest hat. Which jungle animal is the tallest? Can you guess? Correct answer. It is giraffe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.